Hello, welcome to Accounting with Arpit Garg. As we have already studied concept of goodwill and its valuation according to average profit method. So now we are going to understand valuation of goodwill according to super profit method. So let's first understand what is super profit. Super profit is the excess of actual or average profit over normal profit. So, what is normal profit? Normal profit is when a similar type of business earns profit at a certain percentage of the capital employed, which means suppose there are many shops or many firms in a market and those firms are doing similar type of business. Whatever the usually firm earns is the normal rate of return, and if any firm is earning more than that normal rate, so that extra amount is called super profit. Now let's look at the steps to calculate goodwill. So first step is calculate average capital employed. Now, how to calculate average capital employed? That is opening capital employed plus closing capital employed divided by 2. Now, how to calculate capital employed? So, for calculating capital employed, we have two methods, that is liability approach and asset approach. According to liability approach, calculation of capital employed is capital plus reserves minus fictitious assets minus non-trade investments. And from liability approach, it is all assets except goodwill, non-trade investment and fictitious assets minus outside liabilities. We can use any of the method depending upon the information given in the question. Let's start once again. Steps to calculate goodwill according to super profit method. First, calculate average capital employed. Then, calculate actual average normal profit earned by the firm. This actual average normal profit we have already studied in our previous lecture. Whatever profit a firm has earned will be normalized by adding or subtracting normal gains or abnormal losses. Then its average will be done to calculate the actual average normal profit earned by the firm. Then calculate normal profit or return on average capital employed, which means if this capital would have been used by someone else, then what normally are people earning in this capital? So that is average capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100. Then calculate super profit, that is actual average normal profit minus normal profit as calculated in step second and third. Then calculate value of goodwill by multiplying the super profit by number of years purchase. Let's look at a question to understand the topic more clearly. You can please pause the video and write down the question. Done? Let's read it at once. Balance sheet of Messrs Universe as at 31st March 2020 was as follows. Liabilities and assets are given to us. Then average profit was rupees 3,40,000. You are to calculate goodwill at 4 years purchase of super profits if the normal rate of return is 20% of capital employed. Let's start our calculation. First, we will solve the question using asset approach. So let's calculate capital employed by asset approach. That is total assets 26,40,000 which is total of the asset side of balance sheet. Then as per our formula, we will deduct investment and advertisement suspense, that is deferred revenue expenditure, 2,40,000 and 1,20,000. It gives us 22,80,000. Then we will deduct current liabilities from this. Those are sundry creditors, outstanding expense and bank overdraft. On deducting, we get rupees 13,20,000. So now we will calculate if this 13,20,000 is given to a normal firm or a normal person, how much he would have earned. So normal profit is equals to 20% as given in question of 13,20,000, which is rupees 2,64,000. But the average profit earned by us is rupees 3,40,000. So we are earning super profit. As we can see, we are earning more than normal profit. So super profit is 3,40,000 minus 2,64,000, that is rupees 76,000. So goodwill is 76,000 into number of years purchased, that is 4, is equals to 3,04,000. Now let's start this with liability approach also. First, we will see partners capital, sun, moon and star, rupees 3,60,000 each. Then add reserves, rupees 6 lakh. It comes out as 16,18,000. Then deduct investment and advertisement suspense account from this. We get capital employed as rupees 13,20,000, which is exactly same as we got in asset approach. So further process will be same and goodwill will come as rupees 3,04,000. That's it for today. This is Accounting with Arpit Garg signing off. Bye bye. Take care. Keep learning. Stay safe. Jai Hind.